I'm Karen with 24 Hour Bookkeeper. I want to talk to you about how to manage when you purchase large equipment or vehicles. Besides the fact that you're doing it in real life, we still need to find a great way to have good record keeping related to those purchases. It'll help both you and your CPA at the end of the year. Typically, when you've purchased something, they will give you a bill of sale or a receipt. I would recommend that you actually scan it and either put it in Dropbox or Google Drive, which is perfectly fine. But if you wanted to just do one more thing that would make it even easier, I would attach it to your QuickBooks Online transaction so your CPA can easily access that document at the end of the year without requesting it from you. We have to remember that when we purchase large equipment or vehicles like that, the whole transaction does not get expensed out. It actually gets depreciated, which means the dollar amount gets expensed out in pieces over a certain period of time. Your CPA or your tax preparer will handle that whole depreciation piece, but when you record it, it is important that you record it to an asset account and not an expense account. When you've gone out and made that purchase, if you paid cash, all you need to do is write a check in your financials. And that might feel as simple as it is. But if you went out and got a loan, you need to make sure that you not only record your purchase, but you're also recording the loan in your QuickBooks account. Make sure you follow the IRS guidelines on how you actually record these transactions, but typically you're going to put them on the balance sheet to an asset account. Now, everyone's different. You might want to record your individual transactions and line item them. However, you can also just create a line item called vehicles and a line item called large equipment and put that one purchase there. And if you end up buying more, you can still use those same accounts. It's really up to you, and there's not a right way or a wrong way, but it's really something you should think about when it comes to recording on your balance sheet. Just remember, at the end of the year, the last thing we want to do is have to find the document from 7 months ago. So if you have an opportunity to be proactive, get those documents, scan them in, attach them to your transactions, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips and information like this.